First of all, why personal finance is important? There is no such subject in school, and basic financial literacy is low. Most of the people struggle with things like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. And it's not that smart people don't have money problems. They have them just as the less smart people have. And smart people even more often fall into the mousetraps, and we will talk later about this. Everybody falls into the traps, and because it was not taught in school, and this skill is not related to smartness. It's like swimming. Either you know it or you don't. And I kind of understand it. In the school, it's still too early. You don't have income, you don't have expenses, you live on your parents' account. In university, it's like nobody's subject. It's like a life skill that you should figure out by your own and benefit from that. The industry, the banks, the employers, they are not motivated for you to have a high personal finance skills. You are way better customer and if you take debts, and you are way better worker if you hang on the mercy of salary. It's not that they are bad, it's just that so it is. So I think that society could be much more healthy, much more productive, much more innovative, and much more economically stable if everybody has a little better personal finance skills. So, and when starting early and developing good habits, you won't make some costly mistakes later on. It's like brushing your teeth. Better start doing small thing quite early.